Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So I took the day off of work today and played hooky because today's my birthday. It's the big 5-0. So I worked on the Harley this weekend, and I'm pretty sure I had an intake leak. So I went ahead and ordered some new O-rings, another band type of sealer for the intake. I ordered a carb bracket and something else. I've got the boxes here. Let's open these up and see what I got. Hang on a second. I'm also trying out a new movable tripod. Well, not really a tripod, but it's a motorized base. It follows you. See, look. Ooh. No apps, no nothing. I thought this would be, kind of cool for when we go work out at the storage space. So this one is from Lowbrow Customs. I tried to make sure I had everything I needed because, I kind of want to fix it quickly. All right, so the first thing I got was this clamp kit. Ooh, it's following me. So it comes with 2 O-rings and their set of intake clamps, which is pretty sweet because instead of having a long bolt, let me see it. Instead of having a long bolt stick out the end, it's a shorter bolt and it's an Allen, which is pretty cool. So I got that. This was, I don't know, 15 to 30 bucks. I can't remember. And then also from Lowbrow, I got this, which is a Sportster carburetor bracket. You see this thing? It's freaking out on me. So there's a bracket. You can kind of see it here. There's a piece. It mounts like this through one of the holes, and then I guess I'm supposed to secure the carb up here somewhere. But if your carb's here and when it's running, it actually can kind of shake around, which is really bad. I should have brought in the seals so I could show you. You know what? I'm gonna go get the seals and I'm gonna show you. But yeah, this is the other thing I brought from Lowbrow. Hang on a second. I'll come back and I'll show you the boots and stuff that I took off, which is why I suspect there's an intake leak. I want to show you guys another benefit of this thing. It's pretty cool, right? You see me moving, right? Yeah. If you put up your hand right there, now it doesn't follow me, right? See that? And then if you give it the OK symbol, now it moves again. Pretty cool. Let me stop it. There we go. Okay, perfect. Now I can show you my boots. Here's why I suspect. You see? Let me turn the light around here. There we go. Okay, so first of all, you can see marks in the thing, but look at that. It's ripped. See how cracked and kind of, it's not on the inside. It's not really on the inside, but that can't be good. It's kind of, like I said, it's cracked all around. Now these are the bands here, and the O-rings. So these are the O-rings. Here, I'll show you. Here's the Y inlet. So this is where the carburetor goes, and then these are the pieces that actually go to the intake. These O-rings sit kind of right here on this lip, and they made up with the intake, right? And then you put these. That's what this is. You put the clamps on, across here, and the intake on the head, and so I got those now. This also, it kind of looks okay from the outside, but if you turn it to the inside, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but there's definitely a crack here too. So that's why I said screw it. Let's just get the whole thing, right? And then, like I said, this too, that was messed up. So from that, the other stuff, the O-ring kit with the nice clamps is from Lowbrow, and this other stuff that I got is from Dennis Kirk. All right, so I'll show you that. All right, so here is gasket kit in a manifold mounting. So Here's the, it's basically the same thing. It's weird. Mr. J told me that it was supposed to be just either O-rings or these seals, but it looks like they can be used together. So I got that just in case this didn't work out to begin with, which it should. They've been doing this from like 47 to 77 or something like that. And what else do we get in here? Oh yeah, we got our new intake adapter. It's the same thing. I can't remember if I bought this or not. If I did, it was a year ago, and it can't be that cracked. I've done nothing with it. So I got another one off of Dennis Kirk. That was like $13, $14, right? And what was the last thing? Is that it? Okay, yeah, so that's what I got. I got this seal kit with what looks like maybe Viton O-rings. We've got the intake adapter, right? And we've got this. Was that, I swear, was that all? Oh, and the bracket. So that's it this weekend. I think, hang on a second. There we go. This weekend, I think we're gonna try and install that. Well, maybe not this weekend. It's supposed to rain. Maybe this week we'll I'll go over there. Maybe tomorrow or the next day or something. It's supposed to be all nice this week. So just want to give you an update. I wanted to ride it today, but once I started investigating, I pulled the pieces off and I was like, let's just order some stuff. I mean, I ordered it Friday. I got it Monday. So, I just kind of relaxed all weekend. So, but that's the update. Stay tuned and we'll see if I can, it shouldn't take long to slap this all back together and see if that fixes some of the problem. I'm also talking to Makuni, a distributor, Makuni OZ in Australia, about getting a Harley XL 1000 jet kit. I think it's a main jet kit. Supposedly the VM38-9 is supposed to fit, work right out of the box. I mean, it fits, but it works. Most people said they had a problem. They said, the problems they've had have been with intake leaks. So that's why I was like, okay, let's just, replace all that, because I haven't. Who knows how? It could be 40 years old. It could be 50 years old, 52 years old. It could be 20 years old. I have no idea. So, but, all right, that's it for this one. We'll see you guys in the next one, all right? Easy.
I am Ironhead.